Hello everyone. In this particular lecture, I am going to show you how to solve the problems which frequently appear in the question paper on 8 puzzle problem. So what does the question says? Draw the search tree that would be generated by a heuristic search when solving a 8 puzzle from the starting configuration below, that is this particular configuration, assuming that the heuristic used is the number of tiles out of the place was used as the heuristic. Now, how to solve these particular problems? Remember, we can solve this kind of problems by using the A-star search algorithm. I hope you remember what A-star does, right? A-star, just to revise, A-star is a what kind of algorithm? It's an advanced form of a best first search algorithm, which is basically what it does is at each iteration, A-star needs to determine which path to extend to go to reach to the goal node or to find a solution, and it will select the path based on a particular function, that is f of n. So if that function's value f of n is minimum, then it will select that particular path. And what is that f of n? F of n is equal to h of n plus g of n, where h of n is equal to what? The heuristic function that estimates the cost of the cheapest path from the node n to the goal node. What is n? N is the next node. Now, in this particular problem, h of n is given as number of tiles out of the place. And what is g of n? G of n is the actual distance from the initial state to the current state, right? Now, so if we use this particular algorithm to solve this problem, what we need to do is we need to start with the initial state. Okay, this is our initial state, and somehow we need to go to a goal state, or we have to reach to a goal state. So we start with the initial state. At this particular point, my f of n is equal to h of n plus what? G of n. Now here g of n is equal to 0. Why 0? Because we are in our current state is the initial state only, right? So g of n becomes equal to 0, right? Now h of n is given as what? The number of tiles out of place. Now if you compare the initial state and the goal state, this initial state and the goal state, which are the tiles which are out of place? 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2 or 3, 2 and 3 are in the same place, right? So which are the tiles out of place? 7 is out of the place, 8 is out of the place, and then 6 is out of the place. So h of n is equal to what? 3. So f of n is equal to 3 plus g of n, 0 is equal to 3, right? Now, even though we consider heuristic as what? The number of tiles out of the place, we talk in terms of the movement of the space. That means the moment, for example, if we move this 6 to right, the space moves to the left, right? So we always talk in the moment of space, in terms of moment of space. So accordingly, if we move the space right, that means I am moving 5 to this empty block and my space will be moving to right. So this is what is happening in this. To left means what? I am moving this 6 to empty and my space moves to left. So this is what is happening, and same for up. Now again we calculate f of n value for all these 3 configuration. Now at this particular configuration, f of n comes to be 5. How 5? You can see that these particular tiles 7, 8, 6 and 5, if you compare with the goal state, they are out of place. So my 4 tiles are out of space. That is why my h of n becomes equal to 4. And my g of n is equal to 1. Why? Because I am moving one step forward from the initial state, right? So g of n is equal to actual distance from the initial state to the current state. So my current state is one step ahead of the initial state. So g of n comes to be equal to 1. So f of n is equal to this 4, h of n plus 1. So this comes to be equal to 5. Similarly here, f of n is equal to 3. Why? Because these 3 So h of n is equal to 2 because my these two tiles 7 and 8 are out of what? Out of place as compared to the goal state. So h of n is equal to 2 and g of n is equal to 1. So f of n equal to 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Similarly here f of n turns out to be 4, right? Now what we do is we take amongst these which value of f of n is minimum. So f of n of 3 is minimum. So our A star algorithm will extend this particular path, right? So now if we extend this particular path, okay, if we move the space left, can we move the space left here? No, there is no way to move the space left. Okay, can we move the space right? Yes, if you move the 6 to the empty block, then the movement of space to right happens. But if we do that, we are again going to the same state, right? So it is useless. So what I am doing is I am taking the third step, that is I am moving the space up. That means I am bringing the 7 to empty space. Okay, you can see here, right? And I take this particular configuration. Again, I try to find out its f of n value. Now, f of n comes out to be 3 because h of n is equal to 1 because only 8 is out of place compared to this goal state, right? And now, this particular state is 2 steps, what? 2 steps at a 2 steps distance from the initial state. So, g of n is equal to 2. So, f of n is equal to 2 plus 1. That is going to give me what? 3. Now similarly, I move the space right, and I move the space up. Again find out the value of f of n and f of n, and then I find out this is minimum. Now at each step I compare my position and I need to find out the value of h of n. Now h of n comes out to be 0. That means there are no tiles which are out of place is comparison to a goal state. That means I have reached to a goal state. Okay, so this is how I can travel from initial state to the goal state at each step by calculating the value of f of n, and f of n will tell us which path to extend based on the minimum value, and the value of f of n will depend on h of n, which is calculated based on what? Number of tiles out of place. So this is how you draw a search tree or a search graph for this 8 puzzle problem and reach from the initial state to a goal state. So I hope you must have understood this problem and will definitely solve this type of problem. Will be able to solve this type of problems if it comes in the exam. Thank you.